I've never seen this snore. This is the first snore. This is the first time I've ever seen this snore. Huh?
What are you doing?
Why am I doing what?
Hey,
Taking a video. I'm taking a video of this special moment.
A Transylvania County family wants to know why there's still no arrest 9 months after their son was found dead. Robert and Barbara Lennox showed us the field where searchers found Michael Rogers' body last February. An autopsy revealed the 16-year-old died from blunt force trauma and hypothermia. They say investigators talked to everyone involved the night he called for help after being in a fight at a party.
You and other tragic spice.